Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and here we have it. A completed driving Range Rover HSE Sport. Bodies from CMJ Hobbies or CMJ RC, I think it is. As I said in my previous video, I bought it from Argos in the UK for £20. So as I said, you've already seen the chassis, you've seen what I put it on. It's now all done. We have a Traxxas axial ESC in it, a cheapy servo. It doesn't need to be anything spectacular. A 35 turn brush motor running on 3S. So there we go, guys. And I've also put a light kit in it. Now, originally it came with a light kit, and I looked at wiring in a 3-pin plug to go into the receiver, and it didn't make any sense to me. I tried every combination possible and just couldn't get it to work. So I've put my own light kit in it, and I'll turn it on in a sec and you guys can see what it looks like with headlights and tail lights. But it's all good, all done, ready to go. I'll put a photo of the original RC down, well, in this clip just after this. I wanted to get the wheel, arches a little bit closer, but it's just not possible. Not with the way the body sits on the chassis, and also the throw with the servo. The servo on the toy car is completely different to this. So the throw really does, keep it, it's stuck nice inside the wheels. I've had to trim the body slightly over here and a little bit over here to allow the tires to turn properly and not catch. Same in the rear. I've just nipped it over here. You can see this is a little more rounded than what it would normally be, but it works. And yeah, I'll chuck in a clip of what it looks like as a toy, and you can see the difference. Like I said, I'd like to get it lower, but just not possible. So anyhow, I'll turn on the lights, show you what that looks like, and then we'll skip to the running video. All right, guys, enjoy. There we go, guys. That's the tail lights all lit up. Looks pretty cool. Oh, I also opened up the exhaust because they were plastic, silver and full, which didn't really look realistic. Now the tire seems to be sticking out a little bit over there, but for me it looks really good. I blacked out the windows too. Just that, left the window, the rear window clear. So let's skip to the front and show you that. There we go, guys. That's the front lights in it. Pretty cool. And of course, we have Harrison Ford driving a Range Rover, which I think is fairly apt. So anyway, let's cut to the running footage and hope you guys enjoy. Also, do me a favor, please like, comment, subscribe. Really helps me, goes a long way with my channel. I'm trying to push on to 2,000 subs. So give us a hand, help us get there, guys. Catch you in the next one.